You don't need to know how to code. You don't even need to know what a web app is, because now AI will build it for you in seconds. Most people think that creating a web app is for tech bros and hoodie wearing geniuses, but things have changed fast. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I used Hosting Horizons, an AI tool that creates a full functioning web app for you in just a few words. And yeah, it's as wild as it sounds. Alright, before we jump in, let me just clear this up. There's a difference between a website and a web app. And you might be wondering, what is that difference? Well, a website is like an online CV. It's where people go to learn about you, read your blog, check your prices, static stuff. Nothing really moves or is very dynamic. Then a web app, well, that's more interactive. Think forms, bookings, logins. Basically anything that does something as its main functionality moves it from a website to a web application. So for example, Instagram, Airbnb, Notion. These are web apps, not just websites. And traditionally, building one of these meant you had to learn how to code. Think HTML, CSS, a database, JavaScript, backend languages, the whole shebang. Hiring developers, managing servers, domains, integrations. Headache after headache. Now, here's where Hosting Horizons flips the game on its head. It's a no-code, AI-driven platform that lets anyone, and I mean anyone, design full functional websites with just a few words. No coding, no templates, just pure language prompts. As soon as I heard about this, I decided to test it out for myself. Okay, so we head over to hosting.com/Trevor Foya 10, and you'll see you'll get the Hosting Horizons homepage here. If you scroll down, we're going to sign up. I would recommend using the starter plan. That's the one that I recommend for students, beginners, and people getting started. It also gives you 100 messages per month, which I believe when you're starting out is enough messages to truly try this out, see its capabilities, and create multiple web apps if you want to. This plan also comes with no daily message limit, free hosting for a month, easy domain setup, daily backups, and 24/7 support. So we'll go ahead and select the plan. And if you enter the code TrevorFoya10 at checkout, press apply, you'll see you get an additional 10% off your plan just by using my code. So once you've done that, let's hop in to see what it can do. Okay, so we've opened up Hosting Horizons and we've typed in this prompt. Create a web app for booking one-on-one business coaching sessions with calendar integration, Stripe payments, and email reminders. I'm gonna press go and let AI do its thing. Okay, so I've gone downstairs, grabbed some water, and I'm back, and this is what AI has made for us. As you can see, on the left-hand side here, it shows you all the files, all the backend files, the web application files that's actually created for you to run, and you can export this. You can export all of these files if you want to for the actual site. But as you can see, it's called Coach Connect, and this button here seems to be a color that we don't really like, but we can tell AI to change that directly from here. A very, very lovely landing page. Kind of shows what coaching services we do. A list of a few coaches, which you can book each session with them. Also a list of packages which you can book, and then some reviews from clients and a way to book in. If we maybe click on book a session with one of these coaches, it's taking you to the book a section portion of the web app. You get to pick whichever one it is. You see it's already automatically selected the one that I picked from the homepage. But you can click any one of these. If you press next, you then pick a package. Press next. You see it's full, it's functioning. The web app is working as you expect the web app to actually work. If you click on this dashboard part here, it shows any booking history you may have, or if you're booking your first session. And then there's now a book now page. Oh, that's the same as the book a session portion there. And this is really, really cool. If we, for example, tell AI, can you rename the logo to Foya Coaches and change the color scheme to use greens instead of, wow, I can't type today. Greens instead of blues and purples. I'm going to press that enter. AI is now going to try and figure out what it is that I've said and then implement it as well. Okay, cool. So it's about a minute later. You can see it's transformed the web page for me. I asked for green tones instead of blues. Let's use that. It's also changed the name to Foya Coaches. But as you can see, you can really use this to develop an application in exactly how you'd want it to. And it's much easier to do this than actually go into code and pick and plug and add some of this functionality in there. If you wanted to add a different portion, you just tell AI. If you want to take away something, you just tell AI. And that's the genius of hosting Horizons right here. And once you're ready to launch, you just press publish right at the top and your web app is ready to go. So you're probably asking, what's the secret sauce? How do they do this? Well, here's the lowdown. Number one, natural language parsing. Horizon will read your statement, pick out keywords, and then use that to structure exactly what kind of website you would like. Number two, dynamic layout generation. Unlike rigid templates, this AI crafts a layout from scratch fit for your purpose. Number three, full stack code creation. Under the hood, it writes the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or whatever other code is needed for your application to function and look exactly how it does. You can view it as a visual editor, but the code is always there if you ever need to dive into it. And then number four, instant deployment. Once the generation is finished, your application is live on Horizon servers. No extra steps, no server config nightmares. Number five, to go along with your web app, Hostinger offers everything you need to go online, including hosting, domains, and email. And here's where it gets futuristic. You can even speak or sketch and the AI will pick that up and do those changes for you. For voice input, if you click on the little mic and tell it exactly what you want it to create, it will do it for you. For the image output, you can sketch a rough outline of what kind of layout you'd like. You want an image here, text here, logo there, and AI will generate that exact layout for you just from your simple sketch. It's crazy. And the good thing is you can manage your stuff all in one place. Build your app, buy a domain, setting up hosting, configuring SSL, hoping DNS works. All of this is done in one simple dashboard. Or do you need Spanish, German, or Japanese? Well, AI auto-translates the languages for you with over 80 plus supported languages at the moment. Sure, you may need to tweak a phrase here or there, but most of the time it gets it spot on first time. But of course, it's not going to do every single thing for you. AI isn't magic. If you're hooking up third-party APIs, then obviously you're going to have to jump in, add the keys and the endpoints yourself. There might be slight oddities in the layout, just because of course AI is generating it and it might not be exactly how you envision it in your mind, but a slight tweak here and there will probably fix this. And of course, if you're using the translation tool, there's going to be slight tweaks here and there to make sure the wording is exactly how you want it in different languages. But the great thing is, these aren't major issues. And since hosting Horizons is a new product, they're really open into hearing your feedback and adapting the application to match what the customers are saying at the moment. Each issue usually takes minutes, and hosting the support is very responsive anyway. They also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test the web app you want to build. If you don't like it, you ask for your money back. Simple. If you're sitting on an app idea or you've been tinkering with code, Hostinger is your express lane. It shaves weeks off your development time, slashes costs, and puts the power of AI in your hands. But here's the kicker. More and more people are going to find out about this. And as more people jump on board, prompt quotas are going to tighten and plans could shift. So don't waste any time. Start your free trial today with Hosting Horizons and use my code TrevorFoya10 to get an extra 10% off your first month. Go build something cool. See you in the next one. Peace.